In this video, we will tell you how to repair Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module of Samsung S9plus. We have removed its IC to make the video in less time, so that the video can be made in less time. We will remove it from normal temperature, which should be between 340 to 360 degrees. After reballing the IC, we will reheat the IC from 340 to 360 temperature, again taking care not to damage the camera components. We will check again that Wi-Fi, which we were showing hidden before, is showing in its normal condition if we are getting Wi-Fi signal properly in mobile. After installing the IC, our phone is holding in normal condition and is giving us Wi-Fi signals. Hope you will like our video. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of every new video.